To forgive 70 times 7 is not a mathematical problem. It is a call to open the window of mercy and allow fresh air to bring wholesome change to a putrid atmosphere caused by hurt in a relationship. It is nothing short of a revolution. Here we are confronted with the scandal of divine forgiveness. In the sight of God, we are all like the servant in the parable who owed the king 10,000 talents, equivalent to a lifetime's wages. Our brokenness, pride, and selfishness have made us debtors, impossible to pay God when we are measured in the scale of righteousness. Just as the king in the parable cancelled all the debt, God, in the name of grace, grant us undeserved, unmerited, unearned, and unlimited forgiveness. He releases us and we walk away free from the burden of any sin. Excellent morning.